If your Bali visa renewal requires leaving Indonesia, you're losing time and money, and here's how to renew it without stepping foot outside the country. Here's the problem. Most expats think they have to fly to Singapore or Malaysia every 60 days to extend. 1. Visa on arrival extensions save 3 to 5 days of travel time compared to border runs. 2. Stay-in-country renewal costs under 500,000 rupiah versus 2 million rupiah in flight fees alone. Back in 2026, most foreign nationals renewed Bali visas by leaving the country. In 2026, the immigration rules have shifted. You can now extend your stay without crossing a border, but almost nobody knows the exact legal path. This matters because overstaying by even 1 day costs you 600,000 rupiah per day in fines, and your passport gets flagged at Bali airport. The Bali lawyer sees this mistake every single week. Most people fail here. They wait until their visa expires before calling immigration. Do not do this. Indonesian law requires you to apply for extension 7 to 10 days before your current visa stamp ends. If you miss that window, you're already overstaying and the fines compound daily. The second mistake is paying under-the-table fixers 1 million rupiah, when the legal route costs half that through official channels. Step 2 is applying for the visa extension at the Badung Immigration Office in Denpasar, Bali. You need your passport, a completed Form TIM-1, and 2 passport photos. Processing takes 3 to 7 business days if you apply in person. The fee is 410,000 rupiah for most nationalities. The Bali lawyer handles this paperwork in 24 hours, so you don't sit in the immigration queue. This is important. Get your approval letter before your current visa stamp expires. The immigration officer will give you a temporary extension letter that's valid for 7 days while your renewal processes. Without this letter, you're technically overstaying. Most DIY expats miss this step and accidentally break the law. The Bali lawyer files all 3 documents together so you never miss that 7 to 10 day window. Here's the problem with DIY renewal. You spend 6 to 8 hours over 3 visits to the immigration office, juggling forms and translation requirements, and risk a 600,000 rupiah per day fine if your timing is wrong. The right way is having the Bali lawyer track your visa expiration, file 30 days early, translate your documents correctly, and get your approval letter mailed to your accommodation within 5 business days. If you're on a social visa or business visa, the renewal category changes. Social visas require a sponsor letter from your hotel or accommodation proving you have lodging. Business visas need a company letter confirming your employment. The Bali lawyer knows which forms the immigration office actually accepts in 2026 versus outdated templates that get rejected. They also know which immigration officers work which days, so your application hits the fastest approval queue. This saves 2 to 3 weeks versus the standard timeline. Here's the exact phrase to say at the immigration counter. Saya ingin perpanjang visa sa.
Saya punya formulir tim 1 dan foto pas. Berapa biayanya dan berapa lama?
This translates to I want to extend my visa. I have the TIM-1 form and passport photos. What's the cost and how long does it take? Have your passport and form ready. Immigration staff speak enough English, but using Indonesian gets your application process faster. Apply 7 to 10 days before expiration. Bring passport TIM-1 form 2 photos. Get your approval letter from the Bali lawyer. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe and visit the Bali lawyer at thebalilawyer.com for visa renewal help. Visit thebalilawyer.com